God damn it.
Hello? Anybody out there? Well, it looks like you found Matriarch Occult Podcast, the YouTube channel. Well, in this episode, on the Meant to Be 2200, we're going to install the Weber and the header. That's about all I got. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to the podcast. We just had Cassidy Ray on the podcast, so make sure you can go listen to that. Oh yeah, like this, subscribe to it. Please subscribe, please. And if you hang on until the very end of the video, I will show you something I got for Meant to Be 2200. You'll want to stay and watch and see. I'm telling you. We're going to do an unboxing of a Weber carburetor.
You know what it reminds me of is like those videos where the kids unbox the little surprise toys. It's a Redline Weber carburetor. Or is that a Weber?
It's a Weber. Weber on. But first, I have to get that nubby off. So first things first, I'm going to grind that off. Alright. See, Amazon was just there, or just here. And let's see what they brought. Oh man. Look at that. The new metal case. Rad. Alright, we are going to do a super fast Weber install because the battery's about ready to go dead, and the memory card's about ready to run out. So, gasket. on. I already hooked it up over there. It goes on here like that. You just use this hose. This came off of the mess of hoses and crap that were stock. You just got to find the right length one. I took a couple of the all threads that hold on the old carburetor, put them on here. They fit into these holes. Put a couple rubber caps on them so I could guide this hose so it doesn't rub on anything. Other than that, you've got another gasket. Oh, got another gasket here. That goes on there. But I'll bolt that on later because that battery is going to die any second. So that goes on there like that. And there you have it. And then I've got to fabricate a plate for the EGR. I'm gonna custom make one. I'm gonna have it kind of come down here and then come up here for the spring return. It comes with a spring return thing, but I'd rather just have it come off the plate. Anyway, that's it. That's a Weber. Well, look at that. You're still watching. Appreciate it. Like I said, I'm going to show you something I got. Some Ultra baby billets. Wonder how that sounds talking through the rim. We'll see. So, the reason I got those, it has KMCs on it right now. And they look cool in pictures. And they look cool from 10 feet away. But the chrome is pretty badly rusted on the hoop. And then the centers are alloy. And the chrome is flaking off of them. Which hasn't completely flaked off, but it's all bubbled and cracked. I am going to try to restore them. Maybe paint them, but found these baby billets. My buddy David Watson, the same guy that alerted me to the truck for sale, also found these, and so I went and picked them up that day. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like it, listen to the podcast. You know, we appreciate it. And thank you.